So how about operating over non-participants? It's bound to happen, so it's illegal. Let's take a look at what the FAA has to say about this. Ideally, select an operational area that is sparsely populated. Okay, so notice how the FAA says ideally. Okay, so in the perfect world, they want you to operate in the desert, right? But that's not likely to happen all the time. Okay, so what happens? What do you do when you have to operate over people? Here's what the FAA has to say. If operating in populated or inhabited areas, make a plan to keep non-participants clear, indoors, or undercover. Okay, remember the earlier lessons when one of the required documents was other documentation required for a flight operation? This is what they were talking about. Okay, the FAA told us to make a plan if you are flying over non-participants. This plan would fall under that required documentation that you must have. Okay, so you not only you need to have a plan, you also have to execute it. Okay, you can't just say, hey, I had a plan, this is it. You have to execute it. Okay, that's how the FAA's if anybody comes to you and gives you an inspection, this is what they're going to look at, the documentation that you're going to make. Okay, so in regards to non-participants, adopt an appropriate operating distance from non-participants. Okay, pretty straightforward. You have to take reasonable precaution to keep the operational area free of non-participants. Pretty straightforward. It's definitely going to be on your written test. I'll see you guys in the next video.